want to hide photos on your Instagram profile, but you don't want to delete them? Well, this video is for you. This video will show you exactly how to archive your Instagram posts, hiding them from your profile, but keeping them safe for you to access anytime. The steps are the same for both iPhone and Android devices. And the first step that we will do is to open the Instagram application on our phone and then make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. We'll go to our profile section in the app, and once you're on your profile, just find a post or a photo which you want to hide from the profile, but you don't want to delete it. I'll select this cool beach photo which I had uploaded, but let's say I want to hide it from the profile. All I have to do is to tap on the three dots at the top right, and then this menu will appear over your screen. Find the Archive button and click on it. The photo will now be hidden from your profile. Anyone who views your profile won't be able to see that specific post which we had archived. But don't worry, the photo is still there, it's not deleted. Let's say you change your mind and want to unhide the photo and get it back to your profile. All you have to do is to tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. That's going to open the settings page for us, and we just want to find the archive option and tap on it. That's going to open another page in the Instagram settings, where we can see all of the archived stories, posts, or reels which we have. Select the Post Archive at the top of your screen, and it will show you all of the posts which you had removed from your profile and hid from other people. If you want to get back the post, simply open it. Tap the three dots one more time, and then Show on Profile. That's essentially how you can hide your Instagram photos without deleting them from Instagram.